Hello dear viewers, in this video we will explore the origin of code for zoological nomenclature in detail. Stay tuned until the end to gain a clear understanding of the context and concepts of this topic. এর আগের ক্লাসে আমরা ICZN বা ইন্টারন্যাশনাল কোড ফর জুলজিক্যাল নোমেনক্লেচার আমরা ডিটেলে পড়েছি। আজকে আমরা ওখানে মোট 6টা প্রিন্সিপালস ডিসকাস করেছি। আজকে আমরা দেখব যে কিভাবে এই অরিজিন কোড অফ জুলজিক্যাল নোমেনক্লেচার এটার অরিজিন কিভাবে হলো। তাহলে দেখো 1758 this can be stated as the starting point of zoological nomenclature because the 10th edition of Systema Naturae by Carolus Linnaeus was published in this year. Later in 1842, Strickland proposed rules for zoological nomenclature, which is also known as Strickland Code. In 1889, Blanchard presented certain rules at the first International Congress of Zoology in Paris, which is also known as Blanchard's Code. In 1892, the rules were accepted at the Second International Congress of Zoology in Moscow. Later in 1905, International Rules on Zoological Nomenclature was published in French, German and English. In 1961, first edition of International Code of Zoological Nomenclature, which is ICZN, was written in French and English. In 1963, second edition of ICZN. In 1985, third edition of ICZN, and in 2000, fourth edition of ICZN. This is all about the origin of the code for zoological nomenclature. Thank you for visiting my video. All the best.